we want which of the following statements is definitely true from the above paragraph, right, which means what you can actually conclude. A group of astronomers and cosmologists has warned that the laws thought to govern the universe, including Einstein's theory of relativity, must be rewritten. The group, which includes Professor Hawking and Sir Rees, the Astronomer Royal, says such laws may only work for our universe but not for others that are now also found to exist. It is becoming increasingly likely that the rules we had thought were fundamental through time and space are actually just bylaws for our bit of it, said Rees, whose new book, Our Cosmic Habitat, will be published next month. Creation is emerging and as even stranger than we thought. In other words, our rules that we apply to our universe might not apply to all universes. You are going to have to actually have different rules for different positions that you are looking at. So, which of the following statements is definitely true? There can be no generalization of physical laws that govern the cosmos. Now, there can be no generalization of physical laws. Now, let us just look at that. Now, the laws thought to govern the universe, including Albert Einstein, must be rewritten. Now, does he say there can be no generalization, or he says that there needs to be a different generalization? So, he says it had become increasingly likely the rules we thought are actually just our bylaws. In other words, it can't be that there is no generalization, only our laws can't be the generalization. You can only understand that our laws can't be the generalization. We can't arrive at there can be no generalization, because this holds out the possibility that it is even stranger than we thought. Then when we understand the strangeness, we might actually have a generalization there. In other words, we can't say it's definitely true that there can't be generalization. What about Sir Rees subscribes to the theory of a stable cosmos? No, he doesn't. He says that you can't apply our rules to the rest of the cosmos, and therefore we don't even know about it. Then Einstein's theory of relativity does not even apply to our universe. No, it does. It applies to our universe. He says it might not apply to other universes. Professor Hawking believes that there are multiple universes, and Albert Einstein's theory of relativity may not be applicable everywhere. That we can understand. He says Hawking and Rees say that laws may work, such laws as in Einstein's theory and such other laws may work only for our universe but not for others also now found to exist. Therefore, D is the one statement that you can definitely understand. So, that is your answer.